Okay class, so our topic for today is adverb. But before I start, I just want to know what is definition of verb. पहले आप definition verb की बताइए, then we will move to adverb. What is definition of verb? Yes, Drishti?
A verb is an action word. It tells about the person, place, animal or thing, what is doing or will do.
Okay, so you mean to say a verb is an action word. Verb क्या है बेटा? It's an action word. So now let's come to this adverb. What is adverb? An adverb is a word that adds meaning to the verb. Adverb क्या है? Adverb describes a verb. It adds meaning to the verb. They tell us how, when and where an action takes place. What adverb tells us? It tells us how means कैसे, when and where an action takes place. Okay? Now who will tell me definition of adverb? Yes, Yuvika. Can you define adverb?
An adverb is a word that adds to the meaning of a verb.
Okay.
To the meaning of a verb, they tells us how, when and where an action takes place.
Okay, it's really very easy. If you all understood about verb, अगर आप verb समझते हैं, verb को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? क्रिया बोलते हैं. कोई भी action word हो, a verb is an action word. Suppose if I am going to give you one example, the horse ran fast. So can anybody tell me that what is verb in this sentence? Ran. And what is adverb in this sentence? Fast. So now you all can see that this fast word describes run. This fast word describes run. No, so you all can see that an adverb is a word that adds meaning to the verb, or you all can say like this also, an adverb describes a verb. Is it clear everyone? Anyone, any confusion till here? Suppose whenever you have to answer this question, if suppose anybody asks you that what is adverb, how can you define adverb? So simply you have to say an adverb is a word that describes verb. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Clear till here? Now let's come to types of adverbs. So now in your class 4th we have 4. First is your adverbs of manner. Second is your adverbs of time. Third one is your adverbs of place. And fourth is your adverbs of frequency. With the help of these types we can come to know about how, when and where an action takes place. आपको इन टाइप से जो आपकी एडवर्ब की टाइप्स हैं इनकी हेल्प से आप ये पता कर सकते हैं दैट when this action takes place, where this action takes place, how this action takes place, ये सारी चीजें हमें टाइप्स ऑफ एडवर्ब से पता चलती है ना. सपोज इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर हमें क्या बताता है? दैट एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर हमें क्या इंफॉर्मेशन देता है? इट टेल्स अस दैट हाउ अ वर्ब इज डन. ये काम कैसे हुआ है? हाउ मीन्स व्हाट? ये काम कैसे हुआ है? एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर इट टेल्स अस कि ये काम कैसे हुआ है. ठीक है, लेट्स टेक वन एग्जांपल फॉर दिस एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर. कैन एनीबॉडी टेल मी एनी एग्जांपल? एनी एग्जांपल फॉर यस अर्नव?
The crocodile comes slowly towards him.
Okay, the crocodile comes slowly towards him. So you mean to say here we are describing ना कि crocodile कैसे आ रहा है. How it comes slowly. No, suppose if I am saying the little girl smiles sweetly. So how she is smiling?
Sweetly.
How she is smiling?
Sweetly.
Okay, now if I am saying the tortoise walks slowly. So how he walks?
Slowly.
Slowly. So this comes under your adverbs of manner. जिससे कि आपको ये पता चले that how a verb is done. ठीक है, ये काम कैसे हो रहा है. Now next come to adverb of time. Adverb of time describes us when an action takes place. कब ये काम हुआ है या when the verb is happening. It tells you about this. Suppose if I am saying she came home yesterday. So when she came,